and welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. And today guys, I have another 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽 bag that I'm actually going to be adding patches to, guys. So I did already bedazzle the logo. I did show you guys how to do that already on a previous video. I'll link it up here so you guys can go check it out, the description, make it easier for you guys. Okay, so I do have these patches right here that I got from a dear YouTube friend of mine, and she gave them to me, I believe, last year. And I've been saving them because I wanted to use them for like something special, you know. And I was like, this is a perfect time to use them, to add them to my Trader Joe's Halloween spooky bag, guys. How cute is that gonna look, right? So I do have these three right here, and I did already show you guys how to add patches actually on my previous video. But today I am testing out a new glue that I found on Amazon. This one right here. I have no clue how to say that. Let me see. This is how it comes, okay, from Amazon. I'll link it in the description as well. So it comes with all of this. The glue, I have no clue how to say that. 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽. I don't know. But it is a fabric glue, and I was like, you know what? Let's see how well it works on the baggies, on the Trader Joe bags. And then it does have this little like tool to use, I guess, to spread the glue if you need to, and then a clip to clip on the things, you know, to apply pressure so they attach better. Okay, so yes, this is a glue I'm going to be trying out. On my previous video on my other channel, I did use Liquid Fusion. Liquid Fusion works fine, but it did kind of come off over time, so I did have to re-glue them. I feel like 𝓭_6000 works better for patches, and you know what, everything works different, because sometimes you can glue patches into different things and it'll work just fine with Liquid Fusion. It just depends the item that you're working with. Different fabrics work with different glues, or you can even just iron it on, you know what I mean? That would be like the easiest thing to do. So yeah, I have this glue that I wanted to try out today, so that's what I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to put the patches where I want them to be, just to eyeball it, make sure it looks cute, you know. I want this one right here, and this one like that. How cute is that, right? I love MBC. It works perfect. So this is a super easy, quick tutorial, guys. I'm going to use this glue. It does come with a nice fine tip. Look at that. Beautiful. So it's gonna make life much easier. And then look at that. To make sure that your little tip doesn't get clogged up, it does have a little like needle tip on the lid. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the glue to the patch. Again, if you just want to iron them on, that is probably gonna save you a lot of time. I just currently don't have an iron right now. Ours broke, so yeah, need a new one. I'm spreading the glue all around the edges first. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it in the middle areas. I have to say the smell is strong. You know, once in a while I like to try different glues, you know, see what else is out there, because there's so many glues out there, you know. Okay, put glue all around. And now I'm going to apply the patch where I want it. What I'm gonna do is once I'm done gluing all of these down, I'm gonna put weights on it just to keep it down in place, you know, especially in these areas where the straps are. I know it's a little hard to see because it is a black bag, but it lifts up, so you want to make sure they are nicely pressed down. Again, applying the glue all around the edge. Okay, I love this one. It's so beautiful. this patch, the little Sally and Disney ears, because I love Disney. Press it down, and then the Jack Freddy Krueger patch. And 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, she's the one that got me these patches. She actually got me these as a thank you gift because I had worked on her Marc Jacobs bag, guys. We gave it a facelift on my previous channel. I did that video, and then I did one for myself too. So she did give me these patches as a thank you, guys. She's so sweet. Go check out her channel. She loves handbags. She does teacher tutorials. So guys, yeah, I'll link her channel down below so you guys can go check it out. So now, done adding glue to this patch, and we're gonna put it right here. This one is harder to apply, obviously, because it does lift up because of all the built bag things right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the clip on this one. Keep it in place. And I got some weights right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this down. And then this one here. Let me see. I think I need something heavier. We'll put this one here so I can cover both this side, and then I'm gonna put something else here. Give me a sec. I'm gonna move this one, actually put it here because it's heavier, and then just put a water over this. You know, anything you have that's gonna apply pressure over it, so to make sure it does stick. So I'm gonna leave it like this for a few hours, and then I'm gonna come back and check on it. Okay, so I am back. It has been a while, quite a few hours. I even did my nails. Look at that, spooky, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the weights. I had a water bottle here. Remember, I just moved things around because I was checking it as it was drying. Goes that one, and then the clip that goes with the glue, right? So here it is, guys. Look at that. It does say to let it completely dry for 48 hours. So this is how it's looking so far. Again, like I said, you can use 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, I would say, or this one. I'll link it down below on Amazon. Fabric glue works very, very well. Look at that. It's very well on there. I guess I can do these little corners a little bit more. You know, you miss some spots sometimes. It happens. It happens. We can just add some glue. But look at that. It's pretty well on there. So, yeah. Overall, I think this one does very, very good. I will continue to use it. I really do like it. You know, if you don't have an iron, go ahead and use this. I love it. It looks super cute. Very spooky. So yeah, guys, that is it. Now you know how to bling out and add patches to your beautiful spooky Trader Joe's bag. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment and like this video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you have not, and if you already did, thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next DIY. So guys, checking in 48 hours later. The patches are completely dry, guys, and I have to say I'm very impressed with this glue. I will continue to use it because I have to say this is even better than 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Love it. Go check it out, guys. It will be in the description. So now that you guys know how to add patches to your Trader Joe's bag, how are you going to customize it? Have fun with it, guys. The ideas are endless. Bling it out. Have fun, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.